your Windows keyboard is not work? If so, that in this video I am going to show you how to solve this problem. Let's go. Now my shortcut is not to work. For solving this problem, we have some method. First, come here in the search, type here setting. Okay, settings. Then go to setting. Here look for troubleshoot. Click here. Here is other troubleshooters. Click here. Look for keyboard. That is keyboard. Click on run. Okay. After that, close this step. Again, come to search. Go to setting. Okay. Here we have accessibility. It is the second step. Go to accessibility. Scroll down. Look for keyboard. Click here. Here is sticky keys on this option. Then close. If your problem not solved up to now, again follow the other step. Type here on your Windows search services. Come to services. Scroll down. Here look for human interface devices. Click here, double click. Then it is startup type. Change your startup type to automatic. Put on automatic. Then click on apply. Then click on OK. It was the third step. Also, we have fourth step. If your problem is not solved up to now, try fourth step. For fourth step, right click on your start. Then go to device manager. Look here for keyboard. Click on your keyboard. Here is look. Here is we have one icon, one drop down. Click here. It is standard PS. Click here. Double click. Then go to device. Here is driver details, and also here is update driver. Click on update driver. Browse my computer for device. Look, or you can search automatically for drivers. You can search automatically, and also you can search browse my computer for device. I recommend this option. Click here, then click on next. Again, click here, search for update. If your driver has problem, then click here, download now. After downloading, restart your computer, then share the result in the comment. I hope you enjoy from this video. Before closing the video, like this video and share this video. If you are new here, subscribe my channel for more useful content. Have a good day. See you soon.